ununue tusuruari hata kama ni za 50-50 ama 100, ununue tusuruari tutatu, ununue kama mafuta, ununue hata kama itakupeleka for 1 month. Ndio ukifika hapa usikuwe na hiyo challenge ya settle down. You get the point? You get the point, my sisters? Hello guys, and thank you so much for choosing this channel to learn 1 or 2 things about Saudi Arabia. I'm so glad to have you today. My name is Nemo. I go by the name The Ultimate Gorgeous on any social media, and I share information about Saudi Arabia. I share about what has worked for me and what has not worked for me. Recently, I have been doing so many videos on TikTok, and many people have been asking, what are the things we need to bring to Saudi Arabia? I don't know, this is like there has been so many questions about the things that you're supposed to bring in Saudi Arabia, and I decided to cover it as a topic. I will tell you all the things that you can bring as you come here, and so let's get into this video. I'm so glad to have. Even before we go into detail, guys, I want you to understand that there are rules at the airport on the things that you're supposed to put here and put here. When I went to school, guys, by the way, for those people that are coming to Saudi Arabia and you are coming without going to school, before you come to Saudi Arabia, you're supposed to go for some training. And you guys, I was trying so hard not to go for that training, but apparently, and so unfortunate, I had to go. My agent told me that she has tried all her best to help me to come to Saudi Arabia without going to training, but it is very impossible. The government was so strict about us, first of all, going through the training, learning about Saudi Arabia, understanding the culture and all that, and she said that I had to go. And honestly, that is one of the best things I think I need. So even before you think of coming to Saudi Arabia, I really think you should consider, when the agent tells you that you're going to go for training, usually they tell you it is 1.5 months, but I ended up staying for training, I think 2 months. Please, I really request you to please, if you have the time, go for that training, because I was underrating that training. I was telling my agent, I know how to use a microwave, I know how to use a cooker, I know how to use a vacuum cleaner, I know all these things, but let me tell you, I did not know anything about Saudi Arabia, and me going for that training helped me with so many information that it is the information I am about to share with you. These are the 2 notebooks that I was using in my training. I brought them with me in Saudi Arabia because at the end of that training, I realized, wow, there was actually so many things I didn't know about that country. You know, it prepared me so well, and I am going to read from you from what I studied at school, the things I learned at school, and the things that I made sure I did the right way. So there was a unit that they used to call pre-departure, and my pre-departure teacher was really nice. By the way, I went to TESCOL. If you're watching this video and you are from TESCOL, it was in Naivasha. I went to TESCOL, and I thank God. I thank God for my pre-departure teacher because he helps me so much in so many questions, and he taught us so many things. I'm trying to get them because I don't want to give you information that will contradict. But one thing that I remember is I tried to find the exact page for you. He told us that there are some things you can't bring on a carry-on bag. You know, there are different ways you're supposed to pack your things. There is usually a luggage, and there is usually a hand luggage. A hand luggage, it is that bag that you can bring with you to the plane where you go and sit. You know, ile yenye unabeba kwa mgongo, like ini hand luggage, kama handbag. You see, a luggage, it is the one that goes to the boot of the plane, if there's something like that. When you are doing check-in, there is that bag that you usually give, and it goes na huko chini, unaipatanga huko mbele, unapatanga ilishafika. Now that is a luggage, and there are some things that you cannot put in a hand luggage. Okay, I've heard so many of you say, oh, nilinyang'anywa mafuta. For example, maybe you had put a mafuta like this kwa hand luggage. This one they won't allow you because this is supposed to go to the luggage. Lazima ujue hii inafaa iende wapi, hii inafaa iende wapi, hii inafaa iende wapi. So as we start this video, I want you to know that kuna aina tofauti za mizigo ambazo unaweza beba wakati unaenda ku board your flight. Okay, now I got it. Here it is. Now, what can you put in the hand luggage? Kwa hand luggage unaweza weka mafuta. lakini ile mafuta ambayo utaweka lazima ikue 15 grams, which is 100 ml. If we talk about this oil that I have here with me, this body lotion is 500 ml. So if you put this body lotion in your hand luggage, it has already exceeded the amount that they have given you permission to put, which is 100. So ndo maana umeona wasichana wengi pale kwa airport wanachukuliwa vitu kama hizi. Ulibeba mafuta yako, ukaweka kwa bag yako kwa mgongo. Unajua tunaambiwa kwa shule, they always tell us you will be given everything. Hata kama tuliambiwa you will be given everything, please try to carry your own things. When I was coming to Saudi Arabia, let me just show you guys. When I was coming to Saudi Arabia, these are the 2 bags that I used. I had this bag as my hand luggage, and I had this bag. Oh, will I be able to lift it? I had this bag as my luggage. In this bag, I was able to put anything that I wanted to bring because they don't care about this bag, the luggage bag. Washughulikangi na bag yenye inaenda kwa boots. So kwa hii bag unaweza weka kila kitu unataka, mafuta, makeup, manguo, unaweza weka kwa hii luggage bag. Kwa hii bag uko very limited. Na hii ndo bag nimeona watu wanakuja sana nazo, like either the backpack. Let me get all of them for you guys. Nimeona madem wengi wanabeba easy bags wakikuja Saudi. Hii bag, unajua hii bag unataka uende nayo pale. It is just a bag you can carry on your back. Unataka uende nayo pale kwa ndege. Sasa umeweka kwa hii bag hizi mafuta. Hii mafuta haikubaliki. Umeweka kwa hii bag sijui all the things that hazikubaliki. Alafu ukifika pale airport unakuja kutuambia, walichukua vitu zangu zote, walifanya nini? You get the point. Now, try as much as possible if you're coming to Saudi Arabia to carry anything that is necessary for you. Anything that you need, be it makeup, be it clothes, be it, just bring whatever you feel like you want to bring. But just know the difference is there are some things that you can put on a hand luggage and there are some things you can put on a luggage. Let me open my bag a little bit for you guys. In this bag you will find my pulse. Hii ni kakibeti tu kangu, but I want to show you hata vitu zingine sijaitoa. This is the spray. You know this spray kama you are from Kenya. It is a refillable spray of I think 100 ml. This is something that they can't ask you. Kale ka Vaseline kadogo, hiyo ni kitu hawezi kuuliza. Kama ni 100 ml, kama ni 150, hizo ni vitu hawezi kuuliza. I have a mirror, like utu vitu like hawezi kuuliza to a handbag. But ukiweka vitu zenye si za hand luggage wanachukua. Now, I also want you to know another thing. Okay, let's put this here to decorate our video. I also want you to know another thing. In Saudi Arabia, there are 2 seasons. What do I mean by seasons? There is summer and there is winter. Okay? So when you're packing for your things, I want you to pack keeping in your mind that there will be summer, wakati kuna jua inawaka, unapasuka midomo, miguu, unapata miatoka, and there is winter when it is really, really, really cold. If you're traveling during winter, you can try pack some of these things like sweaters, like kama mimi nilipack sweaters. I've done a video of what I brought to Saudi Arabia, guys, and I would really, really, really like you to go check it out. Nitai link hapa kwa description box ama nitaipin hapa juu. You go watch and see what I brought. Nilipack vitu zangu kulingana na wakati ambao nilikuwa nakuja na nilijua hapa Saudia, which also nilijulia shule. All along mimi nimekuwa nikisema Saudia kunanga baridi. Lakini baridi kwa hapa watu wangu, it's crazy. So when you're packing, you need to know that there are 2 seasons here. There is winter and there is summer. So if you're packing for winter, you need to pack some warm clothes. Okay? Warm clothes. You need to pack some warm clothes. beba sweatpants, beba hood, beba kofia. Hata kama utabeba mbili, ubebe sweatpants mbili, ubebe sweater mbili zenye ziko na joto, ubebe scarf moja, ubebe kofia moja, ubebe socks kadhaa za baridi. I have all that. I have a video of the things that I carried with me. Please make sure that you check it out after this video so that you can be sure of what to carry and how to pack. Okay, so that pia usipitishe mzigo wako. Kama you're packing for the summer, wakati wa jua unabeba vitu kama deras. Unajua hapo unakuja mahali kwa Waislamu. So you put some deras, you put some t-shirts, baggy t-shirts, some baggy pants, And don't overdo. Usibebe excess because again, when you get here, maybe your boss will offer to take you for shopping. But let me share a trick with you. If you're coming to Saudi, I really recommend that you start bringing your own things. Vitu kama panty. Shule tunaambiwa utaenda utabaiwa kila kitu. Unakuja, ukikuja hapa kama una anything, wanashangaa udem. Ati unaanza kubaiwa kuanzia panty, unaanza kubaiwa kuanzia mafuta. Me, when I came to this house, let me use myself as an example. I had carried all the basic things that I needed. Nilikuwa na mafuta yangu, yani anything nilikuwa nimepack, ni kitu nilijua inaweza nipeleka for 3 months, even if ningepatana na boss mwenye hata nipeleka shopping. Na juu sikutaka kukuza hapa online kuambia watu, my boss did not buy me, my boss did this, no, I was sorted for 3 months. And when the 3 months ended, I went and told my boss, hi, the oil that I brought, the Vaseline that I came with is finished. Can you please get me a package? Can you please get me a new one? When my periods came, I had some pads. Nilikuwa nimejibebea pads, okay? When my pads ended, nikaenda nikaambia madam, pads zenye nilikuwa nimebeba, which was 3 months later. Hata akikuangalia naona, wow, huyu ni mtu amejipanga. Even how you come, italingana na vile utatreatiwa. I want you to start bringing your own things, okay? I know it might be hard, but hauwezi kosa 2,000 za kufanya shopping. Ununue tu suruari, hata kama ni za 50-50 ama 100, ununue tu suruari 3, ununue kama mafuta, ununue hata kama itakupeleka for 1 month. Ndio ukifika hapa usikuwe na hiyo challenge ya kusettle down. You get the point, my sisters. I am trying my best to share what has worked for me so that tubadilishe. How you come, how you show up, how you present yourself is how mostly you are treated. When I came to this house, I told my boss, I'm really happy I have come to your house, and I'm looking forward to the next 2 years of the best 2 years of my life. Anona, wow. Introduce yourself. This is your boss. You're trying to fit in their house. Sawa, ile picha una create wakati umeingia pale, hiyo ndio picha wanakubeba nayo. Ukikuja umenuna ati uliambiwa na mtu online ati ufai smile. Come on, a smile is contagious. Show them you're happy to be working for them. That is how you maneuver. That is how you get them to your side. That is how when you even tell them, I feel like I have an headache, they will believe you, even when people have been saying, ukwata upelekangwe hospitali. You get? I want you to come and have the best time of your life, and for exact things that you need to come with, me nishawa explain here what you can put in the hand luggage and what you can put in a luggage. For exact things that I brought, kindly watch my video, nimeiacha hapa chini, uone vitu nilibeba, uone vile nilipack, Alafu, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you have a question, reach me out on any social media platform, be it hapa kwa comment section, be it in my inbox, Instagram. I have the handle here. Instagram, unaweza nitumia message. You can send me a message and I can reply to you. I have been replying to some of you, and I am glad most of us are doing well. The goal is for us to win. The goal is to make it when everybody is saying we cannot make it. And with God, everything is going to be possible. With God and prayer and hard work and knowing ourselves, everything is going to be possible. I hope that cases of us suffering get minimal. I am just a girl trying to make a life, okay? I want all of us to win. My goal is not to motivate a person to come and suffer here. No, my goal is to make somebody have this different perspective and be able to come and work here and be okay. I'ma see you on my next video. In case I forgot anything, remind me in the comment section. I love you so much. I appreciate your time. I really do appreciate your time. And as you can see, Saudi inafanya ni glow. I can't wait, huh? I can't wait. 2024. Hi, mko wapi watu wangu? I'ma see you on next time. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I really appreciate your time here. Bye bye.